straight piped 350Z. Has shorty headers, test pipes, a Y pipe to a single 3-inch pipe. There's one small resonator on the 3-inch pipe, and that 3-inch pipe goes all the way back out the rear bumper. So that's it. It does drone, but I think it's an excellent compromise of all-out sound with drivability. Cruising around town, once I get to the speed that I want to go, just cruising at 45, cruising at 75 on the interstate, whatever, it really isn't that bad. It's getting there, it's accelerating there, that sometimes is kind of obnoxious. But if you want a quiet exhaust, get one with mufflers on it. So this is me getting to speed.